Hey there, if you're ready to take your cooking game to the next level, you can't miss these best air fryer accessories that make every meal faster, crispier, and absolutely delicious. From must-have tools to secret hacks, I've got you covered. So check the link in the description below to grab yours now. Let's dive in. Number 5. Gourmia Air Fryer Accessory Set is a game changer for every air fryer enthusiast. This versatile 3-piece set includes a non-stick basket liner, egg bite cooker, and 7-hole cupcake mold. Made from BPA-free, food-grade silicone, it's heat-resistant up to 445 degrees Fahrenheit and dishwasher safe. Perfectly designed for Gourmia 7 and 8-quart models, it ensures effortless cleanup, durability, and mess-free cooking. Enjoy quick, safe, and tasty meals, eggs, muffins, or snacks every time. Number 4. GWY Air Fryer Replacement Tray is a must-have accessory for your Instant Pot Vortex 6QT and Gourmia 6QT. Made of food-grade 304 stainless steel, BPA-free, and FDA-approved, it's safe, non-toxic, and tasteless. Perfectly sized at 9.1 by 9.5 inches, it fits multiple models and works for fries, wings, veggies, or dehydrating fruits. Dishwasher safe with Teflon coating, it's easy to clean. Includes 1 grill plate and 4 rubber bumpers for ultimate convenience. Number 3. BYKITCHEN 8-inch square air fryer rack is a game changer for your kitchen. These 3 stackable stainless steel racks expand your air fryer space, letting you cook multiple foods at once while ensuring even airflow for crispier results. Made of premium 304 food-grade stainless steel, they're durable, rust-proof, and dishwasher-safe. Perfect for Kasori, Ninja Pro XL, and Instant Vortex air fryers. They double as dehydrator racks for fruits, meats, and jerky. Maximize cooking efficiency and versatility today. Number 2. ThermoPro TempSpike 500-foot wireless meat thermometer delivers unmatched precision for your air fryer, oven, grill, or rotisserie. Product features include dual stainless steel sensors for accurate internal and ambient temperatures, a 500-foot Bluetooth range, fast readings, and a waterproof, ultra-clear digital display. Technical specs: programmable alarms, smart app alerts, heat-resistant handle, NSF and FCC certified. Pros: wire-free, effortless setup, precise cooking. Benefit: master perfect meals every time. Number 1. FRYOILSAVER Company Deep Fryer Basket Cleaning Brush is a professional-grade kitchen tool designed for effortless grease and grime removal. Featuring durable brass bristles, rust-proof construction, and heat resistance up to 750 degrees Fahrenheit, it tackles fryer baskets, grates, and pipes with ease. With a 27-inch handle for safety, heavy-duty scrubbing power, and commercial-grade durability, this brush keeps kitchens spotless and grease-free. Perfect for restaurants, food trucks, and high-heat environments. Clean smarter, not harder.